Shanghai is a food street that is no less than the Yellow River Road. It's here. Can you see it? This is Dingxi Road. The whole street is full of food. It's all food, from here to here, and there's more behind. It's beyond your imagination. Every few steps, you see something new. Different smells hit you at the same time. You do not even know where to start. There's a lot of food on the Yellow River Road, and there's a lot of food on Dingxi Road, right? You know everything. Both streets have their own style. Both streets are always busy. People come here just to eat and walk. I guess some of you have been here before. I've been here before. Some shops have been open for many years. They are still standing strong. People trust these old places. They keep coming back again, but many shops have been closed. New shops have taken their place. It's changed a long time ago. It's not the same as before. The street keeps moving forward. Time changes everything here. Still, this place has its own vibe. You can feel the history in the street. Food smells are everywhere. Voices, footsteps, and cooking sounds mixed together. People keep coming here again and again. Some come for memories. Some come for new tastes. This road is always alive, day and night. No matter the time, something is always happening. Lights, people, and food never stop. This is why Dingxi Road feels special. This is why food lovers come here.
It's really hot. The sun is strong today. Even standing here for a few minutes makes you sweat. But this is how food streets are. Hot weather, hot oil, hot food. That is part of the experience. Every corner smells different. Smoke from grilling meat, the aroma of fried dough, hints of herbs and spices from various dishes floating in the air. The crowd moves slowly, almost lazily under the scorching sun, yet nobody seems to mind. There's a rhythm here, a pulse that matches the sizzling sounds around you, the clatter of utensils, the chatter of people. You can feel the heat on your skin, the warmth of the pavement under your feet, but it does not deter anyone. The energy of this street is contagious, and somehow the heat becomes part of the memory. I'd like 4 of them, please. I've been watching them fry for a while. They look really fresh. The color is perfect. The golden sheen reflects the sunlight, making the food look even more inviting. The vendor works with precise motions, flipping and turning each piece with practiced skill. There is something mesmerizing about watching someone who has done the same task hundreds of times, yet makes it look effortless. You notice little details, how the oil bubbles at the right moment, how the pieces do not stick together, how the edges crisp just enough. These small observations build anticipation, and the wait makes the first bite even more satisfying. 4 or more? 2 packs, please. 1 pack is never enough here. Once you start eating, you always want more. The taste is simple but perfect. You feel the crunch, the warmth, the subtle oiliness that comes with freshly fried food. Around you, others are making similar choices, pointing at dishes, asking questions, laughing, sharing recommendations. There is a sense of camaraderie, even among strangers. People here are not in a rush. They stand, they wait, they watch, they savor. This is not just food, it is a performance, and you are part of it. How many soy milk do you have here? I heard people talking about that place earlier. Yes, it is. Thank you. Good to know. I might check that out later. There is always a nearby stall promising something different, something better, something new. Each has its own reputation. People share stories quietly, recommending dishes, warning against overcooked items, praising secret sauces. The information is informal, passed through nods, gestures, whispers. It all adds to the culture of the street, a living guide of taste and experience. It depends on your experience. That is true. Food always feels different for everyone. Some people like it strong, some like it light. One person may savor a dish slowly, tasting every layer. Another might bite quickly, wanting the rush of flavor all at once. Some stall owners know their regulars by heart, adjusting portions or seasoning without a word. The nuances of taste, the personal preferences, and the subtle differences in preparation all make each visit unique. How much is it? I always ask first. Prices change from place to place. 2 yuan. That is actually very reasonable. You cannot find prices like this everywhere now. A small investment for so much satisfaction. Sometimes you see tourists hesitate, unsure of what to pay, while locals slide notes or coins across with familiarity. It's a simple exchange, yet full of trust. How much is it? I keep asking because I'm ordering from different stalls. Each shop has its own pricing. It depends on your experience. Again, the same answer. Food is very personal here. It's not just about money, it's about taste, it's about memory, it's about how you feel at that moment. You can remember the sound of the frying oil, the way the soy milk dripped condensation down the side of the cup, the way the sunlight reflected off the golden fried dough. Those small details create lasting impressions. People around me are eating quietly. Some are talking loudly, some are just focused on their food. Everyone has their own way. The sound of oil frying never stops. Vendors keep moving fast, hands working non-stop, orders coming in back to back. I like watching how skilled they are. They do this every single day. Years of experience show in their movements. Some customers are regulars. You can tell by the way they talk. No need to explain. They already know what to order. Others are tourists, looking around, taking photos, trying to decide. The smells mix together. Fried dough, fish, soy milk, everything blends into one strong food street aroma. Even though it's crowded, it feels comfortable. No rush, no pressure. You eat at your own pace. Prices stay simple, food stays honest. That is why places like this survive. Time passes quickly here. You come for one thing, you end up eating 5. The heat doesn't matter anymore. Once you start eating, you forget about it. This is not just about food, it's about being here, standing on the street, watching people, listening to sounds. Every small stall has a story, every dish has history behind it. You finish eating, but you're not ready to leave. You walk a little more, look around again. There is always something else to try. That is the magic of this street. Food keeps people together. Even strangers feel connected here. You see families sharing portions, friends laughing over the smell of fish, couples pointing at dishes, deciding together. The collective enjoyment creates a shared experience. That is why I like coming to places like this. Simple food, real atmosphere, no filters, just life unfolding one dish at a time, one story at a time.